Before we actually go on with nHibernate and configure it in our project, we need to make sure that we have something installed if we're going to be using MySQL. Now, nHibernate works with all modern database engines, MySQL, Oracle, SQLite, MS SQL, PostgreSQL, but unfortunately we need those drivers to actually be installed either globally on our computer or locally in our project. The way that I prefer to do it is to install the drivers locally in our project. That way that we can actually deploy this project to production without having to install it globally on the main web server. Now the process of doing this is actually very straightforward. All we have to do is right-click References, manage NuGet packages, and type in MySQL.data. Then we simply install, and we are golden. Now you do not need to have the MySQL connector installed globally on the system in order for nHibernate to work. Now we did just change something, so I'm going to hit Control-Shift-S to save our project and commit the change. We'll notice that what changed was we have a bunch of new DLLs in our packages folder. I want to make sure that we commit those. So I'll stage them and I'll commit them and I'll say added MySQL driver. Hit commit and we are literally done.
That was pretty painless.
Yep.
All right.